नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will test a given urine sample for sugar by Benedict solution. Benedict's test is used to test for simple carbohydrates. The Benedict's test identifies reducing sugar monosaccharides and some disaccharides which have free ketones or aldehyde functional groups. Benedict's solution can be used to test for the presence of glucose in urine. Some sugars, such as glucose, are called reducing sugars because they are capable of transferring hydrogen to other compounds, a process called reduction. When reducing sugars are mixed with Benedict's reagent and heated, a reduction reaction causes the Benedict reagent to change color. The color varies from green to dark red or brick color or rusty brown color depending on the amount of and type of the sugar. Principle of the Benedict stats. When Benedict solution and simple carbohydrates are heated, the solution changes to orange red or brick red. This reaction is caused by the reducing property of simple carbohydrates. The copper ions in the Benedict solution are reduced to copper ions, which causes the color change. The red copper oxide formed in is insoluble in water and is precipitated out of the solution. This accounts for the precipitate formation. As the concentration of reducing sugar increases, the nearer the final color is to brick red and the greater the precipitate formed. Sometimes a brick red solid copper oxide precipitates out of the solution and collect at the bottom of the test tube. Sodium carbonate provides the alkaline condition which are required for the redox reaction. Sodium citrate complexes with the copper ions so that they do not deteriorate to copper ion 1 during storage. Complex carbohydrates such as starches do not react positive with the Benedict test unless they are broken down through heating or digestion. Table sugar, which are disaccharide, is a non-reducing sugar and does not react and also does not react with the iodine or with the Benedict's reagent. Sugar needed to be decomposed into its component glucose and fructose. Then the glucose test would be positive, but the starch test would be negative. Benedict solution is a deep blue alkaline solution used to test for the presence of aldehyde functional group, that is CHO. Anhydrous solution carbonate is 100 gram, sodium citrate is 173 grams, copper second sulfate pentahydrate is 17.3 grams. 1 liter of Benedict solution can be prepared from 100 gram of anhydrous sodium carbonate, 173 grams of sodium citrate, and 7.3 gram of the copper second sulfate pentahydrate. Procedure for the Benedict's test. Approximately 1 ml of sample is placed into a clean test tube. 2 ml or 10 drops of Benedict reagents is placed in the test tube. The solution is then heated in a boiling water bath for 3 to 5 minutes. Observe for color change in the solution of the test tube or precipitate formation. Results and interpretation of Benedict's test. If the color upon boiling is changed into green, then there would be 0.5 to 1 to 0.5% sugar in solution or sample. If it changed to color to yellow, then 0.1 to 1% sugar is present. If it changed to orange, then it means that 1 to 1.5% sugar is present. And if color changes to red, then 1.5 to 2% sugar is present. And if color changes to brick red, it means that more than 2% sugar is present in the given sample. This is the interpretation of Benedict's reagent. If blue color is present, then no reducing sugar is present. If green precipitation is found, then traceable sugar is present. If yellow precipitation is found, then low sugar is present, about 1 to 1.5 gram percent. If orange or red precipitation is present, then moderate sugar is present, that is 1.5 to 2 grams percent. And if a brick red precipitation is present, then it is high, more than 2 gram percent. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.